Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying connections and software so the problem isn't hiding in plain sight. First, swap the video cable and try another port. Use DisplayPort or HDMI when possible. Once done, open your monitor on-screen menu and reset picture settings to defaults, then check brightness and color temperature. Next, update the GPU driver from the vendor. If the issue started after an update, roll back to the prior driver. Doing these steps removes the most common causes before deeper work. Now you dig into color management so displayed hues match expected values. Open your OS color settings and inspect active ICC profiles. If you see duplicates or odd profiles, switch to the standard sRGB profile and remove extras. Then open the GPU control panel and confirm output color format, bit depth, and digital vibrance. Adjust slowly to avoid oversaturation. Use a reliable color test image and tweak gamma and white point until neutral grays look new. Finish by isolating hardware and applying failsafes so you can act confidently. Connect the PC to another monitor or a laptop to see whether the GPU or the panel is at fault. If another display is fine, suspect the original monitor. Factory reset the monitor and test alternate GPU outputs or a new cable. Replacing the cable often solves intermittent color shifts. If colors still look off, document what you tried. Save a working ICC profile and contact support. One key tip: try a different input type before buying parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.